everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop faster, and also how we can optimize your device by just following the few simple processes that I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings here. And we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings option. So once you're in the settings option, all we need to do is to go to the Windows update which you can see in the left pane here. So please click on that. And then you will see here the update or check for updates option. So you will also see here the if you're up to date or not. And let's look for the advanced options: delivery optimization, optional updates, active hours, and other update settings. So please click on that. And in here we will look for delivery optimization under additional options. So this one, delivery optimization, bandwidth limits for updates, downloads, and other devices. So please click on that. And the moment you do that, we will make sure that this option for allow downloads from other devices is turned off. And this says here that if you turn this on, your device may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to devices on your local network or on the internet. So after turning that off, we can now close this one. And the next thing we need to do is to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether, or just by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to run options. So once the run window is now open, all we need to do is just type services.msc and then click on OK or enter. And the moment you do that, you will be brought to the services window. So here all we need to do is just to go to the S section here, and we can do that by simply selecting one service here, and then in your keyboard type S, and then you will be brought to the S section. Here we need to look for sysmain, and if you found it, please make a right click on it and then go to properties option. So in here, all we need to do for the startup type is to choose the disabled option. So if this is not still disabled, then just click this drop down button and then click on disabled. And then once done, please click on apply and then click on OK. And then we will move on with the next process, which is to go to your task manager. So we can simply make a right click here in the taskbar, and then you will see the task manager options. And if you don't see this option in your taskbar, all you need to do is just to simply press Ctrl Shift Escape key in your keyboard, and then the task manager window will be up on your screen. So here in the task manager window, all we need to do is just to go to the startup tab, this one, and here all we need to do here is to disable all the applications that you don't want during startup. So just like this one, this is enabled. So for example, if you want to disable this one, since you're not or you don't want this application to be associated during startup, all you need to do is just select it and then just make a right click on it and then click on this disable button. And then once done, you can do that to other applications or software you have here. And then you can now click on this window, and then in the Windows search tab, please type CMD, and then you will see under best match the command prompt option. So please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And then the user account control window will be coming up on your screen. So to proceed, just click on yes. And then this black window will be coming up on your screen. Here we need to type for SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now. Now once done typing, please click enter. And then once you do that, the system scan will now begin, and this process will take some time, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. So after this process or this system scan, all we need to do is just to close this window, and after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and then see if now it's working faster. So another option that we can do is to choose for a power plan, and we can do that by making a search here in the Windows search tab, power plan. So if you see choose a power plan setting, so please click on that, and then here in the choose or customize a power plan, in the selected plan options or section, all we need to do is just select for the balance option or the high or ultra performance options if you have. And once you do that, just please click on the balance option or Acer or anything that you have here in the selected plan, and then just make sure that the options here are selected with the recommended options. And then once done, we can now close this one, and then let's go to settings. So in here we need to make a right click for our Windows icon and then go to settings. And once you're in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to the system options here in the left pane, and you will see here the storage option. So please click on storage, and in storage you will see a cleanup recommendation option. So let's just scroll this one, cleanup recommendations. So if you're looking for items to clean, please click on this one, and the device will automatically give you the cleanup recommendations that your device needs. For example, the recycle bin, the downloads and system recovery log files. So all you need to do is just to check or select for the temporary files that you want to be cleaned or deleted from your device. And once you selected, please click now this cleanup button here, and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.